We'd like to welcome you to our complete guide to the best strategies for trading stocks. If you're seeking to earn regular profits in the stock market, this video is the perfect guide for you. The initial step in any strategy for trading that works is to find stocks that have potential. This is done by fundamental analysis, which entails studying a company's financials and trends within the industry, as well as by using technical analysis, which is the process of analyzing patterns and charts. Combining these two methods to find companies that are overvalued or are likely to grow in the future. Technical analysis. If you found a stock that has future potential, your next task is carry out the analysis of technicals. This involves looking at patterns and charts to determine entries or exit point. Some of the most commonly used technical indicators are moving averages and relative strength index RSI, as well as Bollinger Bands. Utilizing the indicators, you will be able to decide when to buy or sell a stock to make maximum profits. Risk management. A trading strategy is not complete without adequate risk management. This includes setting stop-loss orders to limit losses and employing the proper size of your position in order to control your investments. It is also essential to be aware of risk-reward ratios. This will help you decide if it's worth the risk. Conclusion. In the end, the most successful strategy to trade for stocks is a combination of identifying stocks that have potential and performing a technical analysis and implementing a proper risk management. If you follow these guidelines, you will be able to earn steady profits in the stock market, regardless of whether you're just starting out or a seasoned trader. Thank you for your time. Make sure to follow our channel for more informational videos on investing and trading.